Islamabad traffic restrictions announced for Independence Day. Hi, this is Iman Tasleem. Let's have a look at 6 p.m. headline. Pakistan's Iran-US mediation. Interior Minister Mohsin Naqvi's visit to Iran focuses on bilateral ties, security, and regional peace. Mohsin Naqvi met Iranian officials including Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi and President Masoud Pezeshkian. The Foreign Office says Pakistan is making all-out efforts to bring Iran and the US back to the negotiating table through the Islamabad MOU. Pakistan debt hits 99.6 trillion rupees. Pakistan total debt has climbed to rupees 99.6 trillion according to the data from the State Bank of Pakistan. The country's debt increased by around rupees 5.2 trillion during the fiscal year 2024 till 25. Pakistan paid nearly 12 trillion rupees in debt repayments, including 7.26 trillion rupees in interest during fiscal year 2026. Meanwhile, rising circular debt in the power sector remains a major challenge in Pakistan's ongoing discussions with the IMF. Mir Raza Ali case update. Sindh IGP Javed Alam Odo has admitted that investigative lapses occurred at multiple levels in the Mir Raza Ali case. He said police initially followed the direction provided by the medico-legal officer, but acknowledged that mistakes were made during the investigation. The newly formed investigation team has been ordered to examine the case from every possible angle without pressure. Islamabad traffic restrictions. Islamabad Traffic Police has announced major traffic restriction ahead of Independence Day celebrations. Heavy traffic will be banned from entering Islamabad from midnight August 12 until midnight August 14. Several major roads including parts of the expressway, Faisal Avenue, Faizabad and Peshawar Road will be closed or diverted. Hajj Policy 2027 till 2030. The National Assembly Standing Committee on Religious Affairs has raised serious objections in the Hajj Policy 2027 till 2030. Members questioned why the policy was brought before the committee after already being approved by the federal cabinet. The committee also criticized repeated extensions given to the DG Hajj and questioned the allocation of 2,000 pilgrim quota to private operators. For more such updates, stay connected with Pakistan Connect.